Hi, it's Karen and I could not wait till the end of the month to show you what I've got. Look, I got my hands on a Cricut Mystery Box. Now I've seen a lot of people do unboxings of these, US crafters I should say. This is not something you normally see in Australia, so I was really excited. There's a Facebook group for cricketers in Perth in WA, and they mentioned that these were in stock in my local store, so I rushed down there to get it. I want to do an unboxing with you now. I'm just going to open this up, so excuse the noise. So I was very lucky because if you remember in my previous video, I had a 40% off voucher which I didn't use. And that runs out next week, so I was able to get this discounted from $130 down to $78, so a really big discount. Oh, look who's peeping through. I had a feeling there'd be a little Cricut cutie in the box. Not my favourite colour, I have to say. I'm not a big fan of purple, but so excited to get it nevertheless. And let's see what else we have got. So we've got some infusible ink, 2 transfer sheets, 12 by 12s, and those are the patterns as you can see. And we've got some strong bond patterned iron-on, Cricut by Anna Griffin. So there's 3 different sheets of that as well. And let's see what I blank here. So it's a tote bag, so that I'll be able to use those. Oh, this is really pretty. I like this. The premium vinyl shimmer. So permanent glitter. That's really cute. And what's this black one? Removable matte. So that's good to get a removable vinyl. And then we have got some transfer tape as well included, which is good because I've not used the Cricut own brand or the Cricut brand of transfer tape yet, so it'd be good to see how it performs against the ones I got from Amazon. So that is what was in my mystery box. So there was the transfer tape, removable vinyl, permanent vinyl shimmer, infusible ink, and then the patterned iron-on with the tote bag blank, and of course this little fella. So in terms of value for money, I think if it was 130 Australian dollars, probably wouldn't be that good of value, because you can get these usually, the individual rolls on special usually for around $16, $20 at the most. The tote bag I know is $20. Of course you can't buy these, which was the big draw. So I don't think I'll be buying a mystery box again now that I've got my hands on one of these little fellas. But apart from that, oh yes, and then the Cricut transfer tapes is about $15 as well. So don't feel like I've got a value for money in terms of got myself a bargain, but really happy that I got this. And I'm really happy with the colour choices as well that I've got, because this one is definitely a favourite that I'll use. I haven't tried infusible ink yet, so it's good to be able to play with that. This one is a good all-rounder, and I was looking at some removable tape, some matte anyway, just to put on windows and things. Maybe not the black, but it'd be good practice stuff. And I've not tried this strong bond before either, and there's just some really pretty patterns. Hopefully you can see the 3 different ones in that. So that is my very quick video. I just wanted to share the unboxing with you, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Hey, thanks for watching. If you've got any comments about this video, please leave them below. I'd love to see them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. That way YouTube knows to recommend similar ones for you. And finally, if you'd like to see more from me, and I hope so, please subscribe by clicking the link below. I post new content every weekend.